Imagine a machine so smart, it can revolutionize industries across the globe. That's exactly what's happening in Malaysia right now, where a groundbreaking intelligent production model from China is stealing the show at a major AI summit. But here's where it gets controversial. Can this technology truly democratize advanced manufacturing, or will it widen the gap between tech giants and smaller players? Let's dive in. At the heart of the ASEAN AI Malaysia Summit 2025, held at the Malaysia International Trade Exhibition Center from August 12th to 13th, Shandong Inspur Intelligent Production Technology Co. Limited is showcasing its latest innovation. This large-scale model, designed for multi-scenario applications, is drawing crowds of industry experts and curious visitors alike. The summit itself is a melting pot of ideas, bringing together government officials and business leaders from ASEAN member states and beyond to explore the cutting-edge advancements in artificial intelligence. Wang Xiaofeng, Deputy General Manager of Inspur's Overseas Sales Department, explains that their model is no ordinary tool. It's a professionally tailored industrial solution, meticulously developed to serve sectors like equipment manufacturing, electronics, food, textiles, petrochemicals, mining, steel, and aluminum. And this is the part most people miss. The model isn't just a one-size-fits-all product. It's built on a foundational large model, enriched with industry-specific knowledge corpora, and continuously refined through iterations to meet the unique needs of enterprise-level clients. What sets this model apart is its versatility. It offers over 300 industry-specific submodels, enabling business personnel to orchestrate tasks rapidly, even in zero-sample or cold start scenarios, without needing any coding skills. This significantly lowers the barrier to entry and enhances the platform's usability. For instance, a food processing company could use the model to optimize production lines, while a mining firm could leverage it for predictive maintenance, all without extensive technical expertise. Here's the bold question. As AI continues to reshape industries, will such intelligent models empower smaller businesses to compete on a global scale, or will they consolidate power in the hands of those who already dominate the market? Share your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear your perspective.